Okay, for anybody that's gone, what we did today is we made an account at code.org, and we're going to do some little fun game coding. So I'm going to go over to the far right and sign in, and you're going to click continue with Google. And whenever you do that, it'll ask for your account. You're going to click your Google account, and then it'll ask for your name. Just put your first and last, and then it'll ask you a couple other questions. Go ahead and fill those in. It'll also ask you if you're a student. Please make sure to fill that in, and then it will actually set up your account. Okay, so where we want to go is actually kind of hard to get to from here. So I'm going to open up a new tab, and I'm going to go to code.org/learn. Okay, and this gets us to the Hour of Code activities. You will actually be signed in over here, but I've already went through the game, so I want to make sure that you see what it looks like from the beginning. So you will actually have your sign in at the top right. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to make a Flappy game. It says we're going to use drag and drop programming to make sure, or to make your own Flappy Bird game and customize it to look whatever, or to look different, Flappy Shark, Flappy Santa, or whatever. And you can do that when you get to a certain level. So I'm going to go ahead and start. It will start out with a video. You do need to watch this video. I'm not going to play it in the recording because mine doesn't record computer sound, but you will want to watch it before you get started. So I'm going to X that, and again, you'll be signed in over here. Our instructions at the top say attach a block to the when click block, then press run. Click or tap the screen to move Flappy to the target. Okay, so our instructions are at the top. Underneath of it are the blocks that we have to work with in the workspace. And then at the left is where we actually have the game itself. So we want, when the mouse is clicked, for Flappy to flap. So I'm going to go ahead and click run. And I'm going to keep clicking my mouse until I make him hit the target. I'm going to continue. And on the second one, it says, now that we've added some ground, we're going to attach a block to the when hit the ground block. Your code needs to end game when Flappy crashes. So in other words, you're going to use this for that when he hits the ground, and you're going to choose the action that you want to happen when you hit the ground. So I want to end game. I'm going to run, and notice here's the target. So I can, when I'm click, he flaps, and then when he hits the ground, notice it says game over. Okay. So as you're going through the Flappy game, when you get to the end, it'll ask you if you want to print a certificate. We're not going to print those right now. If you have a printer at home, you can if you want to, but otherwise we'll deal with those later. So once you're done with Flappy game, we're going to go actually work on another one. And the easiest way to get there for me is to just open up a new tab, go back to code.org/learn. And we want the Minecraft Hour of Code. There's a couple different Minecrafts in here, but we want the one that says Hour of Code. It's just to the left of the Flappy game that we played. And so you're going to click on the Minecraft. You're going to start, you're going to go through its little video. And then once you get into it, there are actually 4 different ones. Okay, there's Minecraft Voyage Aquatic, Minecraft Hero's Journey, Minecraft Adventurer, or Minecraft Designer. I do not care which one of those you go through. The one thing I want to make sure that you do not do, though, is go down to Minecraft AI for Good, and you don't want to choose that one on the other screen either. This makes you download a lot of stuff. So we're just going to stay in the Hour of Code tutorials. So you're just going to choose whichever one you want. Go ahead and start, read the instructions, and make each of the codes work to make your goal. So that is what we did today. We actually set up our account. We showed you how to go to 2 different games and work in those games. Tomorrow during the Distance Learning Day, Wednesday, I will actually assign another game, and I'll put that on Google Classroom. Thanks so much. Let me know if you have any questions.